Hello guys, I am going to talk about advanced Angular concept and how you can use and utilize some of the functionality in your project. That's why this tutorial is the best on the practical approach in which you will learn how you can make certain functionality in a real project. It's my recommendation that you watch this video till the end, otherwise you will lose some of the valuable information. Let's talk about it. As you know that you are already, I hope that you already familiar with the Angular, where you already know how to install the Angular, because there are lots of blogs and tutorial is already available on the internet, so you can do. However, just I am giving you certain guidance where through this guidance you can easily install the Angular application in your system. So as you can see, some of the command is available. So here this is the npm command. Basically to make it npm work, first and foremost you need to install the node.js, and after installing the node.js and the npm in your local system, then depending upon your system, like what system you are using, Linux, Mac or Windows, so accordingly you can install. You will find a proper documentation on their official website, or there are also lots of blog and tutorial are available. So after installing the npm, you will find that some of the npm command you will able to run. This is the basically Angular CLI that you should install for running and working in the Angular. So what is this Angular CLI? Basically Angular CLI is the command line interface. Like suppose this is the command line where you can run certain command of the Angular. For example, if you want to create some component or services or modules, then very easily you can do that through the command line interface, where just you need to run the command, and automatically some of the model component and depending upon your command will be generated automatically. So it will be make you faster to develop certain thing. So it is very helpful and it's a very amazing thing. So I hope you understand what is the CLI and how you can install it. So some of the command like ng new my dream app, through new command you can create a new application. So here I have also created a new application. So you can see here that name is Angular auth demo, because I am trying to make a video based on the authentication in Angular, because authentication is the primary and in the most of the application it's required and it's mandatory also. That's why I am making the tutorial based on that. So whenever you will work in a real scenario, real project, then you can implement the same functionality, same authentication functionality in your project. So this video will be in the detail, so make sure watch this series of this video. Okay, so now after creating the project, you need to navigate to your project directory. So using the cd command you can enter in your project directory, and then you just need to write ngserve. Like I have run here ngserve, and some of the flag I have provided, like port. If you want to open the application in a certain port, then you can specify the port, and this open command will open this application on the browser. At the compilation, after the compilation, you can see here that it's this application is running on the localhost 4201, and if you'll go to the 4201, then you will find your application running. So since I have already implemented some functionality, so that's why I am going to discuss step by step how we can achieve this. You may not get this type of interface, because you will get some by default interface like okay. So since I have removed that particular page and content which will be load after the installation of the project, and then I am going to talk about how you can structure your project. For example, how you can make projects modular and scalable. So that's the amazing part, and I am going to talk about in this video series. Here it's if you will click here get started, you will find some amazing documentation, and this documentation is almost it's mind-blowing. You can find most of the thing from here. So I hope that you understand. In the next video I will talk about the other functionality in the Angular application.